Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets finished up mixed last week. You had corn and soybeans trading lower while wheat finished up higher. They're mixed so far this morning as well. You got corn and wheat a little higher while beans are a little lower. So not a whole lot of reports today. Obviously the U.S. government shutdown continues. Therefore we won't be getting crop progress or export inspections today. And it's also looking less and less likely that we're going to go ahead and get the WASDE report on Friday. So government shutdown, not a whole lot of reports to go off of, which is what the market usually gauges as far as its directions. Some things we can go off of. We've got obviously harvest reports coming in. They're still a little better than expected, so that should pressure the market. The lack of farmer selling, most of the reports I'm getting is we're not seeing a lot of farmers making deliveries after they harvest. Obviously, they've got a lot of on-farm storage has been built in past years, and that's being utilized due to current prices not being attractive. So that should support the cash markets, and we're seeing that with basis rising. But harvest pressure, obviously, it's a seasonal thing, will pressure the markets a little bit, and the better than expected yield reports will do so as well. Speaking of harvest, there was some rains over the weekend. That will slow it down a little bit. Nothing too much. Got the Goldman roll starting today. That usually takes around 5 days, so that could pressure the November and December contracts. So keep your eye on that. But other than that, there's really not a whole lot to report. Like I said, we won't be getting crop progress or export inspections today, and it's looking less and less likely that we'll go ahead and get that WASDE report on Friday. So if anything changes, we'll let you know. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.